What's up, everyone? Timotheus here. Today, we're tackling a topic that's been generating a lot of buzz online: Hustlers University. Is it a golden ticket to online riches or just another hyped up course? We're about to dissect the claims and see if it lives up to the hype. Now, before we jump in, let's get a little background check. Hustlers University is an online course created by Andrew Tate, a controversial figure known for his outspoken personality and involvement in various online businesses. Look, it's important to be aware of the controversy surrounding him, but for today, let's focus on the actual course itself. Hustlers University promises to teach you the secrets of building a successful online business. They cover areas like e-commerce, copywriting, freelancing, crypto, stocks, Amazon FBA, and affiliate marketing. Sounds promising, right? They offer video lessons, text modules, and potentially live streams, although the frequency of those seem a little bit unclear. Alright, so what are the potential benefits of enrolling? Well, you get access to a community of other entrepreneurs, which can be a great source of motivation and support. Plus, they do cover some foundational concepts of various online business models, giving you a broad overview of potential income streams. Maybe Andrew Tate's bold approach provides a motivational kick for some viewers, but here's the thing, folks. Reviews raise questions about the depth and effectiveness of the actual content. Some users reported lacking actionable details needed for real success. And the cost can be significant ongoing expense, with the exact membership fee shrouded in a bit of a mystery. Finally, the association with Andrew Tate's potentially inflammatory views might not be a comfortable fit for everyone. Look, the online business world is full of opportunities. While Hustlers University might introduce you to some basic concepts, the value proposition seems questionable. Now, before you close this video, there might be a better option out there, a platform that focuses on proven methods and fosters a supportive community. Wealthy Affiliate is a platform that prioritizes teaching legitimate and well-established online business strategies, like building niche websites and affiliate marketing. No get-rich-quick scheme here. Wealthy Affiliate boasts a thriving community of entrepreneurs at all levels ready to offer guidance and celebrate your wins. Plus, they have a free starter membership. The free starter membership lets you test the waters before committing. You can access introductory training modules, keyword research tools, and connect with other aspiring entrepreneurs. It's a fantastic way to see if Wealthy Affiliate aligns with your goals. Remember, building a successful online business takes time and dedication. Don't get swayed by promises of overnight success. Focus on acquiring valuable skills and building a strong foundation for long-term growth. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.